Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So this is an example of PDF or OCR of the page, special PDF page with the program called PDF Exchange Editor. So I will show you such an example that I recently have discovered. That is, there is a hidden text on the page. Here you see this line. You see the word. Now I'm going to make OCR of this page. So number 6, verse number 6. So that's my settings. I can select all the last or before the last point, it doesn't matter. So you see, this verse number 6 has a hidden text inside the word after OCR. So you see, now I'll show you the original after OCR, original, OCR, original, OCR. Now I will show you how we can emit this. Not to show this, we would like to make OCR of the page to show it in its original way without hidden text. So just we need to select this point, ignore text in pictures, in images. So just select this point. Now let's wait. The page is being processed. So you see, here's the original word. Now I will show you original page and this after OCR, original after OCR. So here was hidden text. Now we have general OCR with no problem. So glorify the God.